Amethyst in Chennai, and we have Vikram Goel with us. He's a seasoned designer, and we have his beautiful pieces all around us. So, Vikram, tell us something about Vikram Goel artworks. It's just so inspiring, so beautiful. There we have Balaji, we have Hanumanji, and we have some of the amazing
So this
other.
Balaji panel is done in our signature repousse work, where you chisel into the metal sheet from the reverse. So it's only after you finish chasing it and you pick it up that you realize what you have chased. And this is one of our most detailed repousse artworks, which we've decorated with semi-precious jeweled stones. Um, you also have other works here. You got the Balaji, you've got Hanumanji over here, and then we have a smaller Balaji uh, over here, and then this is a wonderful peacock cabinet.
Oh, this is a
This
cabinet.
is a peacock
It's
cabinet,
also open.
which is like a cabinet,
Wow.
and this is a mixture of our repousse work and casting and some semi-precious stones. Here we have what we call the golden peacock console. It is made entirely by hand in sheet metal, and you can see we've removed all the weld marks. It looks seamless with these elements of malachite. And here's another example of our repousse work. Um it's the Dreamscape coffee table, showing different elements of good luck uh, talismans. You have the Gajasima, the black buck,
Okay.
the tree full of parrots. So
Lovely.
there's a
This
whole
is
lot of
so
work.
beautiful.
Thank
So,
you.
how do you blend the traditional craft with the modern sensibilities?
Yeah, so as you can see, the form is very contemporary
Yeah.
and very clean. And we've given a small edge of this repousse work, which is a many centuries old tradition of metalworking.
Okay. So, how many pieces have you brought to Chennai? And
Over here, we bought a
what?
very small selection,
Okay.
a small selection of the studio, but the larger emphasis has been on Via, on the new
Okay. You have
lifestyle brand.
another brand called
We have
Via.
another brand called Via.
So, Via is more into home
So
decor.
VI is into home decor. There are three elements of VIA. One is that it has to be handmade in India. So it's artisanal.
Okay.
Everything is handcrafted. So we've got metal, we've got carpets, we've got apparel, we've got
Oh,
embroidered
you have
cushions.
apparel
Yes,
as
we have
well.
apparel.
Oh, lovely.
And we have candles. So everything is, as long as it's handmade in India, it's there. The design is completely contemporary, and everything is based on some kind of India narrative. So whether it's a
Okay.
Indian animal or an Indian plant or a folk tale
Okay.
or a myth, everything has an India-based narrative. So the idea is to educate the world, including India, about our heritage, about our craft culture, about our storytelling. Everything has a very strong Indian component to it.
Wonderful. And especially now with all that Made in India campaign
Yes.
going around everywhere, this
So
is
we've
so
been,
relevant.
it's relevant, and we've been trying to revive. For example, if you see a cane, so here you have the hand embroidered cushions, the cane, very contemporary.
Very
Then we've
content.
got cane and metal in the barware. So there's a whole mix of things.
So, what inspired you to start? When did you start? Tell me about your
You know, I
journey.
wanted, I wanted for the studio. We started in 2000. We launched 2 years ago. I wanted to create a brand which is more accessible in terms of price points, have greater reach,
Okay.
and therefore we launched Via. I also wanted to work with other materials other than metal, and it's been great. It's been a great journey.
So, what have been the high points and what is like your signature Vikram style?
There is no real one piece. It's
Okay.
as you can tell that you've got the very decorative, and then you've got the very brutalist, and you've got the very minimal. So there's no real one style.
Okay. Is it inspired? Who are your inspirations? If you
But
can
there's
tell
so
us.
many. There's so many architects and sculptors and artists and across different periods. So there's just a lot.
Do you also collaborate with local craftsmen,
Our
traditional
work is only with
Indian?
local craftspeople.
Okay. So you give them the design inputs and then
So
they.
they work with us. For the studio, they're in house, and for the others, we work with. We give them the designs, and then we manage
Okay.
quality and all of that.
Okay. And where is your manufacturing done?
in Delhi.
Okay, and how has the response been in Chennai?
It's been great. I've had a long association with Chennai, and I've been coming
Okay.
here since I was in college. So
Okay.
it's been response has been great.
How challenging is it to work on such huge pieces?
It's always a
that is-
challenge, especially on these larger canvases. But we enjoy challenges, and having your own studio makes it easier because then you're able to push the boundaries, and you can do it you can experiment and do things. So yeah, having your own studio makes a big help.
All right, so this is the textiles by Via, and these are our embroidered cushions to decorate any living space. And we have recently launched our apparel as well. So we have a range of some lovely, very comfortable fabrics, ranging from organzas to ramis in beautiful prints and some solids. And it's a line that you can wear inside or outside. It's a casual. You can wear it on holiday. Some cool pants and skirts and linen kurtas. Nice floral prints for a little pop of color. And yeah, some of the pieces that are doing really well right now are the red. People are loving. It's something fun. Um, some geometrical prints and scarves. This is where the inspiration started. Okay, thank you.
Any celebrity names who have bought your pieces? And
Too many to name.
do you want to name just 2, 3 from the south, maybe south of India?
Leading industrialists mostly
Okay, leading industrialists. They also, I'm sure, they also find place in their offices,
in their
and
homes
stuff.
mostly.
Homes
Yeah.
mostly. And also, do you export some of these?
A lot of our work is sold internationally.
Okay.
In fact, we are represented in the United States by a
Okay.
leading art gallery, and in Europe by a Milan-based gallery. And we've been showcasing internationally for the last 3 years.
Okay, and what role does sustainability play in your design?
All our work is everything is handmade, and we want to and there's a big focus on revival, whether it's been in our repousse work, in metal work, in the cane kind of work. So everything has an element of A, it's natural, and B, it's artisanal, handmade, and C, there is an element of revival. So there's a lot of effort goes into ensuring, and plus we also have the what we're trying to teach people about different aspects of Indian culture and history and
Right.
the landscape. So there's a lot of that localness which goes into it.
And typically, how long would a piece like
So
the
the
Balaji?
Balaji would take about 8 to 10 weeks.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So like 2 to 3
2 to 3
months,
months.
sometime. Okay, that's amazing. Tell me about yourself. When did you develop the love for art and passion?
Ever since I was a child, I think I've been traveling a lot in Rajasthan and deeply interested in the visual arts and culture and heritage. So it probably was there somewhere in my subconscious. So I did I studied engineering and development economics, worked for an international bank, and then moved back to India. Co-founded in Kama Ayurveda, an Ayurvedic brand. Again, with the idea of showcasing, of working with India's um indigenous areas of indigenous excellence and using branding and design and packaging to take the message of Ayurveda to the outside world. And soon after, I started working with craft, and very soon after.
Are you still part of the Kama
No, I'm
Ayurveda
not.
group? You exited that. Okay. Some quick 2, 3 tips on some interior design. What is trending?
I don't understand
Don't
trends.
believe
I
in
don't believe in
trends. Okay.
Just
So if
go with
somebody
go
wants
with your
to,
instinct and try and um, go with your instinct and try and look and see and observe and all of that.
okay. But there was a time when brass was kind of getting out of fashion, and there was this white metal trend coming in. And
Those are
so
trends,
now
but I think brass has been with us, in
times
surface
memorial.
decoration and
Yes.
ritual objects ever since
True.
we can. So,
Yeah.
which is why I also started working with brass. I just loved.
So do you
That's
visit that brass town Muradabad?
No, not at
often?
all.
Okay. So where do you source all your brass?
We work in our studio.
Okay.
Yeah.
But where do you source the
The brass
Metal.
materials, those are available.
everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any message for young interior designers that you would like to have for
Just
the last?
observe, travel, try and visit museums, flea markets, design stores, art galleries.
Okay. Stay inspired.
Yeah.
Thank you,
so
Vikram.
much.
Thank you.